From its humble beginnings as a military experiment to becoming the backbone of modern life, the internet has come a long way. Let's explore its fascinating history. The internet's story starts in the 1950s, when the US feared its communication systems were vulnerable to attack. In 1962, J.C.R. Licklider proposed the idea of an interconnected computer network. This idea led to the creation of ARPANET in 1969. Funded by the U.S. Department of Defense, ARPANET connected 4 universities, allowing them to share information. The first message sent on ARPANET was LOW, short for login, but the system crashed mid-transmission. By the 1970s, ARPANET grew, introducing key innovations like email. Ray Tomlinson, in 1971, sent the first email using the now familiar @ symbol. To make networks communicate, researchers Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn developed TCP/IP protocols in the mid-1970s. By 1983, ARPANET adopted these protocols, forming the basis of today's internet. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web at CERN. The web made the internet accessible, using hyperlinks to connect information. The first website went live in 1991, explaining how the web worked. The web transformed the internet from a tool for researchers into a resource for everyone, paving the way for rapid growth. In the 1990s, companies like Netscape and AOL helped the internet reach households. Dial-up connections and user-friendly browsers allowed people to explore the web. Online shopping, search engines, and social platforms emerged, reshaping industries and connecting people like never before.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.